Welcome to News from the Lake. It's been quite a busy week here at Crystal Lake Publishing. Our Darkest Depths comic book Kickstarter has ended at a successful $10,300. The link is still live, so you can still order your copy. Talking about Kickstarters, our Ghostland board game is coming to Kickstarter next month. You can already sign up for early access and a launch day reminder. Since today is Friday the 13th, we're releasing the very cool video that we've created for this. Definitely check it out. The link is in the description to the YouTube channel. We have two new releases this week. The Horseman by Stephen Pajak, Megan Stockton, Ari Sargent, and Nikki Noir. And then today is actually the launch of Got Ghosts by John Ward. It is part of the Scareville series of middle grade horror. Our Eddie Poe show is coming along nicely. We're launching later this month on YouTube. This is, of course, for kids. We want to promote imagination, storytelling, and eventually even writing, and definitely, of course, reading. The channel's already live. You can subscribe. You can even check out some of the short videos that we'll already have on there. This week's Throwback Thursday was Samurai and Other Stories by William Meikle, one of the best short story collections I've ever read. There are two titles currently on pre-order, Dark Tide 21, which includes 3 Hollywood novellas by Gary A. Braunbeck, Tim Wagner, and Andrew Nadolny. It's out June 17th. Servants of Stone by Sean Eads and Joshua Viola is also on pre-order and will be out June 27th. It's StokerCon this weekend, as I'm sure a lot of you know. Fingers crossed for Dark Between the Twilight by Jamal Hodge, which is nominated in the poetry. What Fresh Hell Is This by Del Howison is on a Kindle sale for only 99 cents. And then I've created 3 new PowerPoint workshops for authors. You can check in the description for the links. They are from $3 to $5 each. Why your book isn't selling and what to do about it is the first one. Then how to write a great synopsis. Essential advice every new author should know. Some of these workshops are free on our Patreon page to $10 a month or higher tier patrons. I'm also hosting a live workshop next Friday. Check out the link for the description. It's only $6 and we will be talking about dialogue from the beginning tips to amateur straight through to professional tips and tricks to improve your writing. Until next time, remember,
one does not simply walk into Mordor.